So guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a survival house. It's really nice and it's gonna look really smaxy. So you need oak wood planks, cobblestone, glass, not the big glass, and then oak wood stairs and cobblestone wall. We need more, but I don't want to take more. So you're gonna put the cobblestone 3, leave a space, and 3 here. It's gonna look like this, and then 4 up. And then here cobblestone again. This is gonna be the doorway, so it's really nice. And then you put like your oak wood here. And then here, 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. And it's gonna be 4, like that there. And then here the same. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. And 1, 2, 3, up. And then here 1, 1. It's looking weird, but it's gonna be like that there. It's really nice. And then you're gonna put your wood here. Like this, and on the top here. Here, 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 and here. And that, and the door. You can like just make that with wood and that. How does it look? Really good. And then the glass, fill it out with glass. So it's gonna be a very good survival house. It is easy to make, but not in survival. So it's gonna look like this. Then here, inside, I don't want to put it inside right now. And here up, you're gonna put the cobblestone where the wood are. I'm just gonna put it around right now, then I'm gonna fix it. So, like this. Okay. Smash, 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 smash. And smash. No there. Smash. Smash, 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 smash. Smash, smash, smash. And smash, and smash. And then upside down stairs. Not stairs. I'm not staring. Stairs. 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 Okay, good. Understand? So, and then here upside down stairs. Go away. I'm not dead. Okay, I'm not dead. So, I'm sorry for that. Seriously. Now the stairs are bad for me. And then you're gonna take the cobblestone walls, put it around. It's gonna be really smaxy. So, how do you think? I tried it a couple times and it's gonna be really nice. So, it's looking like this right now. And it's gonna look like this there. Really smaxy. But I'm gonna build something on the top here. And we go on inside right now. Put like this. Not fill it out. You're just gonna have it like this here. And then the cobblestone, fill it up with cobblestone. And then here, the wood. And then the cobblestone is gonna come out because we are gonna have ladder here. And then here, do this, like that, here, here. Good. So we're gonna put the wood around, like this. If you think it's weird, don't think it, because it's really nice. And then when you go down here, it's gonna be really nice. Ladder, put it up. You know, it's looking good. And then you take the cobblestone wall and put it like this, fill the holes out. Kiroslav. Okay, I'm sorry. And then we are gonna build inside right now. So you need the bed, the cauldron, the anvil, and then another brewing stand, furnace, crafting table, chest. So the bed, and then the anvils, the crafting table, no, there, and there, and there, and there. So good looking. There. And I forgot something. Water. Not lava, water. Okay, good. You understand. You're a good boy. Okay, good. So this is like you now come home, oh, I'm tired to sleep. Craft, furnace, then you have some water there. So take some birch leaves. You can take whatever you want, but I'm taking birch leaves. Oh, there. Okay. So, like this. No, not there. There. Like a little chair here. And the chest is. And I think we are done here at floor 1, and then here it's gonna be not so nice. I didn't build so much here, but you need some chest. Put it here and here. When you come up, chest. So good. And then you go with weapons here, 4 bows and 4 arrows, and then put it in the chest here, and then in the next chest we can like just put some arrows too, 4 bows, 4 like this, and like this. We can like just have a red flag here. You can take what color you want, but I'm taking red flag. Do it like this here, this. So it's gonna look like the wind is blowing the flag. And I forgot something, torches. So you put it here at the corners, and here, and then the corners here. That you have some lights outside. And then here, corners, corner. It's really nice. It's beautiful. And then here, inside, you can like just put it here, and And then here, I don't have any idea, and I just put it there. Then a little painting here. Great looking. So, it's really nice. And I hope you like it. Please leave a like or subscribe, and it's really nice, and I hope you like it. Please leave a like that I said, and thanks for watching.